Welcome to our tutorial on how to check your stock by location using C2W Inventory. This guide will show you how to match what's actually in your warehouse with what's recorded in C2W Inventory, location by location. Let's get started. Log into the C2W Inventory system and go to the Inventory module on the main menu. Open the Stock Adjustment screen from the menu. Turn on the whole location setting to prepare for counting an entire location at once. Now, select the specific location within your warehouse where you want to conduct the stock count. This will display all items and their current quantities in that location. Take the quantities you've counted from your spreadsheet, which should contain columns for item number and quantity. Copy these and click the Import Counted Items button in our system to paste your data. Once uploaded, our system will automatically compare the counted quantities against the system records and highlight any discrepancies. Review the discrepancies and make any necessary adjustments directly in the system to ensure your inventory records are accurate. That's it. You've completed a stock count by location using C2W Inventory.